Hi everyone, my name is Destiny Ray Burnell, and this is our presentation for the Proxy Recognition and Inclusive Scoring Method. So our project motivation was really based around the current job market and how popular AI has become in the hiring space. So the job market is really difficult and very competitive, and we really found that AI, specifically large language models, rely on proxy cues and learn patterns that may lead to unfair outcomes. And so we really want to examine how bias can emerge in AI resume evaluation and see how small shifts in context or wording can influence the way models score candidates. So for our methods, we constructed 324 synthetic resumes with identical qualifications, and they only varied by first names across 5 demographic groups. And then we took those resumes and we input them into GPT 3.5 Turbo, and we prompted the model with a neutral prompt, and we requested that it provide a score from 0 to 100 of how likely each applicant would receive an interview. And then we compared those outputs to a Sentence BERT similarity model to examine the embedding level behavior with the same data. And then to test our model, we analyze the results using ANOVA and pairwise t-test to isolate name-based proxy effects and assess the fairness impact. So for our results regarding the GPT 3.5 Turbo model, it really didn't produce any bias under a neutral prompt. However, sometimes the model did score certain groups slightly higher, likely due to moderation or overcorrection tuning. And then scoring shifts appeared only when the prompt context changed. And then for the Sentence BERT model, the embedding similarity did not cluster candidates by demographic groups, and then there were no embedding based patterns found. So for our key findings, we really just found that prompting was the main driver of the results. And we also found that context is really important. If you put in a biased prompt, you're going to get out a biased result. Overall, we found that you get out what you put in the model, and that prompting is really important. Thank you so much.